Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Okay, I get it. Some people really want to go vegan, but they hate cooking. So in this series, I'm sharing 3 delicious meals that will have your kids happy, have your family happy, you'll love it, and it will not take hours in the kitchen, it won't take a ton of money or a ton of ingredients. So let's get started and let's keep it easy with this easy stovetop mac and cheese. Okay, here are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need a half a can of chickpeas, about a tablespoon of vegan mayo, a half cup of cashew milk, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about a half of teaspoon of fine sea salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then once all of those ingredients are ready, you're going to pulse them until smooth. And yes, you will definitely need a food processor for this recipe. So the one that I'm using, I absolutely love. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description box below so you can check it out. And definitely check out the other food processors that they have available. But I like this one because it was really inexpensive and it gets the job done. It's also really easy to clean. So while you're making this cheesy sauce, definitely have your pasta boiling. I'd like to use either macaroni or corkscrews. You can even use the shells. Use any kind of pasta that you want to use, but I find like those are really work best for myself and for my son. And yeah, so you can use any type of pasta that you want to use, but definitely keep it in the range of pastas that go good for a mac and cheese. So when you're done pulsing it, it should look like this. Very, very creamy. All of the ingredients are combined. There aren't any chunks in it. You definitely want your cheesy sauce to be smooth. Okay, now it's time for the extra fun part. Add all of your pasta that is cooked into a saucepan. And guess what's next? Yes, it is time to add that delicious cheesy sauce all over your pasta. So go ahead and pour it all over your pasta. Make sure you get all of it out. You don't want to waste any of that deliciousness. And once you pour it all the way out, go ahead and take your spoon or whatever kitchen utensil you're using and then begin to coat the pasta with your cheesy sauce. Stir it around, make sure the sauce gets on every little bit. And then once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and cover the pan and you are going to have it on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes just to let it thicken up a bit and let it seep into the noodles just a tad bit. Your noodles are already cooked, so you definitely don't want to overcook the noodles, but you definitely want to warm up that cheesy sauce and have it thicken a little bit to give it that extra nice texture. All right, now that the cheesy sauce has thickened up a little bit, Just stir it around, give it a couple stirs. It's so ready to plate at this point. It's ready to eat. I know that the smells are just filling up the kitchen and filling up the house, and everybody is ready to eat. So go ahead and plate it up. And you know what? You could actually add some vegan sausage or some green peas to this if you wanted to make it a little bit heartier. But you know, sometimes we have little kids around that just want a mac and cheese, and you definitely want to give them that vegan version. And this is a great alternative for that. But don't be afraid to add other things to it to make it a little bit heartier. Oh my gosh, guys, how delicious does this look? It's so comforting, so tasty, very, very family friendly. My son absolutely loves this. So I'm gonna go enjoy this with my family, and I will see you guys in the next video. But definitely subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I have lots of recipes coming up, and I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Natural Vegan Mama if you want to check out what I'm doing over there. So I will see you soon, and take care. Bye.